start with the name of the God. So morning, just wake up, and guys, if you come to real estate industry, please, my honest advice, please work on one field, which is real estate. Morning real estate, afternoon real estate, evening real estate, night real estate, then again in the morning real estate. So please, if you have another work, another job in your mind, like you can make real estate as a second option, believe me, you cannot succeed. You cannot earn in real estate a lot of money. So please, if you wake up in the morning, in your mind real estate, if you sit in the any of the place in real estate, and if you evening you just go to your home, real estate in your mind. So believe me, if someone tell me, sir, I can earn 50,000, is it easy for me and I can earn in within 1 month or 2 months? Come and I will tell you, definitely you can earn 50,000 in a month easily within first month or second month. But the way I will tell you, you have to follow this way. So stay tuned for more videos.